Welcome to PremiumSelectSupplies.com. If you are looking for a Streamlight Tlr-7 or 8 sub for the following handguns, make sure to get the light for the 1913S short rail. But if you already have a Tlr-7 or 8 sub, you can buy this clamp kit to turn it into a 1913. The models that will work with this kit includes the Smith & Wesson M&P M2.0, Beretta PX4 Storm, Springfield Armory XDE, XDS in the HELLCAT Pro, the HECKLER and KOCH HK45, and the SAUER P365 XMACRO. The part number for this kit is 69322 and it costs $23.92. Make sure to subscribe to be alerted to new products like this, how-to videos, specials, and discount codes. Thank you for watching PremiumSelectSupplies.com.